Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and from today, as I informed you before also, that from today we are going to do our revision work of chapter number 1 to chapter number 4. Okay, so we are going to do these revisions because of the pre-midterms which will be going to be held from 2nd of August. Okay, and from 2nd of August the pre-midterms exams are starting, so I want you all to do all these revision videos very carefully. Is that clear to you all? So children, today first of all, as you all know that every day you get two videos, part 1 and part 2. So today in part 1 video I will be explaining you chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Okay, we are not doing chapter number 1 today because it's a very small chapter and it is on just about yourself, so we will do it later. But today we are going to do chapter number 2 and chapter number 3 combined because they are interrelated with each other. एक दूसरे से related chapters हैं, body and body parts and sense organs. So we will do these two chapters, and when we will do these chapters, so first of all I want you all to understand these two chapters. Okay, so that's why in part 1 video I will be explaining you both the chapters 2 and 3, and then in my part 2 video I will be giving you revision exercise, and that revision exercise will be in the form of MCQs or in the form of objective questions. Okay, because in pre-midterm you will be getting objective questions only. Okay, so each question will be having 4 options, and out of 4 options, one option will be the correct option. So what you have to do in exams, you just have to click on the right option. Okay, so in the same manner we will do these revision exercises also. Okay, so let's get started with our first video today. So as you all know that today we are doing first video we will be doing of explanation part. So take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1 for class 1, and please turn to page number 6. Is that clear? As you can see here, page number 6, chapter number 2, Our Body is Wonderful. So as you all know children that chapter 2 and 3 are both chapters are related to our body parts and sense organs. So these are all both of them are I have just combined these two chapters, and what we will do today, I will explain this and then we will do revision exercise. So I hope you all are ready for this. Very good. So as you all know that our body is a living machine. हमारी body कैसी है? एक living machine है which is made up of different parts. Okay, जो कि अलग अलग parts से बनी हुई है. So in this picture you can see children that there are different parts of our body. From head to toe we have many different parts in our body. It tells us the name of different parts of the body. Now in this picture you can see the different names of the body parts. Okay, like the first one is head, then on your head you have hair, then coming next forehead, then next comes eyes, then ears, then mouth, then nose, neck, chin, shoulder, chest, elbow, stomach, arm, hand, finger, thumb, knee, leg, foot and toe. So all these are your body parts. So in this chapter children, first part is of your body parts, and then second is how our body helps us. So in this we have learnt and we have understood that our legs are used for different things we can do with our legs, as we can stand, we can kick, we can walk, we can jump, we can run and we can skip. Okay, so all these things we can do with the help of our legs and feet. Now next is in the same chapter that what can we do with our arms, hand and fingers. So we can eat, we can write, we can hold, we can lift, we can carry, we can throw, we can paint and we can draw different things with the help of our arms, hands and fingers. Is that clear to you all? Now turn the page. I hope you all have understood. In this chapter it is only in this we have only given about the body parts, how many body parts are there, and then The next part is that how are legs helpful, what can we do with our legs and feet, and what can we do with our arms, hand and fingers. Is that clear? Then coming to the next part on page number 8, in which it is shown that we should take care of the different parts of our body to keep them in good condition. If we want to keep our body parts in good condition, then we have to take proper care of these different parts of our बॉडी. इज़ दैट क्लियर? हमें अगर अपनी बॉडी के पार्ट्स को एक अच्छी कंडीशन में रखना है, गुड कंडीशन में रखना है, तो हमें बहुत अच्छे से उनकी केयर करनी चाहिए. इज़ दैट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? Our nails grow all the time. You all know that your nails grow. So after every 3-4 days you have to cut down your nails. Then the skin at the bottom of our feet is the toughest. Do you know that जो आपके पैर पे सबसे नीचे वाली जो स्किन होती है, that is the toughest. सबसे टफ स्किन वहीं की होती है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 3, आर सेंस ऑर्गन्स. सो नाउ व्हाट आर सेंस ऑर्गन्स चिल्ड्रन? You all know that we have 5 sense organs, and those 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. Through eyes, eyes helps us to see, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to taste, ears helps us to listen, and the skin helps us to feel. So as you can see here, our eyes helps us to see things around us. We have 2 eyes. Number of eyes, how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes, okay, and it helps us to see things all around us. Then we have 1 nose, and our nose helps us to smell things. Then comes your next sense organ, that is ears, and as you all know that you have 2 ears, and your ears helps us to hear sounds. Okay, you can hear sounds. This time you are watching my video, that means you are using your eyes, and listening to my voice and listening to what I am explaining, that means for listening you are using your ears. So your 2 sense organs are working at one single time, that is your eyes and your ears. Okay, then comes your next sense organ, that is tongue. So what is the use of your tongue? It helps you to taste food. Whenever you eat food, if you are eating spicy food, how you know that you are eating spicy food? With the help of your tongue, because your tongue have taste buds, and from that we can make out that what kind of food we are eating. Is that clear? Then comes the last sense organ, which is our skin. So our skin helps us to feel. We have skin all over our body. So you all know that हमारी पूरी body पे, all over our body there is skin. It is, our full body is covered with skin, and our skin is the 5th sense organ which helps us to feel. If you touch a hot thing, if you touch a hot cup of tea, okay, with the help of your finger, then you feel hot on your finger. Why? Because your skin feels hot there. Okay, so with the help of your skin you can feel the sense of hot, you can feel hot, cold, okay, like this you can feel. And how you will be able to feel things? With the help of your skin. Now next is, these 5 sense organs are very important to us. They are like our best friends. So we must take care of our sense organs. As we take care of our body parts, in the same way we have to take care of our sense organs also. So that is all in this video, children. I hope you all have understood both the 2 topics. Now please switch on to my part 2 video, in which I will be giving you revision exercise in the form of MCQs. So please switch on to my second video and watch it very carefully.